Hello everyone, I'm JC. So summer have finally arrived, well, at least in Europe, and this means warmer temperatures, summer holidays, going to the beach pool, and a lot of cold beer. But this also means that we need to service our motorcycle, especially the cooling system. For air-cooled motorcycles, you have nothing to worry about and go directly to your cold beer. But for liquid-cooled motorcycles like the Yamaha Xt660, in order to ensure the best engine temperature, we need to service our antifreeze or coolant liquid. The lifespan of a coolant liquid is 30,000 kilometers or 3 years. But since it's a 5-minute job, I prefer to do it every 10,000 kilometers or at least every summer. You want to know how to flush it and change the liquid coolant from your Yamaha Xt660. Stay tuned. So hello again everyone. In order to flush the coolant, first we need to understand that this one here is the radiator. We are on the right side of the motorcycle, so we need to take this part off, this cover off, because behind this cover it will be the cap of the radiator. And then we have here the water or the coolant reservoir, and this one here, it's the water pump, and this bolt here, it's the bolt of the drainage. So we are going to start doing I'm going to start unmounting everything, and we are going to hit some nice music for you.
I'm falling, tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling, tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Falling.
of strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I walk alone in the night, meet the pale moon. Loving's for the fools. Baby, beware of my bite. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. 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 I'm a lone wolf.
You need to ensure that this is closed, this other thing is closed, and before finishing, we need to start the bike. It's recommended to start the bike and let it run for a couple of minutes, just in order to see if there is any leaking in the cap. If there is any leaking on the cap, that means that you need to take it off or you need to replace it. And if there is any leaks here in the seal of the water pump, and any other leaks that might be coming from here, from the water pump to the engine, or from any of the from any of the radiator panels. The idea is to let it run for 5 minutes or until the electric fan starts to work. You can see the electric fan there. And from the other side, you might be able to see it here. This is the electric fan. When this starts to run, that means that you can turn your key off, and you can turn your bike off. Well, that's have been all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comment below. Until next time, ride safe. Bye.